Maayong hapon mga ka Brian Works, no. So ngayon guys, i-reveal natin yung ating Ansal paint, Ansal top coat na sidecar natin guys. So ito pala yung Ansal natin. Makintab talaga ang Ansal pag nababaping guys. Oh, yan. Yan yung Ansal. Oh. Yan. Semi-finish sa Ansal natin guys is medyo mahal kasi yung Ansal sa may mica gold pa ito guys is PM lang tayo guys. Tingnan mo guys. Wow. Yan ang gawa natin mga ka Brian Works. Pulumulok chip type. So yan o. Yan. Alay kulang lang nito is salamin guys. Salamin. Salamin guys. Yan na siya guys. Oh. Yan yung sample, no. So yan. Okay. White inside, white. Right. Kanto-kanto yan lahat. So yan. Kung hawakan mo to guys is makintab talaga yan. So, pag matamaan siya ng ilaw, may suga, araw, ganyan yung resulta ko. Okay, no? So thanks for watching mga idol. Yan, okay, bye bye. Short video mga idol. Salamat. Saka yan, new repaint, no? Kakatapos lang. Buyers, thanks for watching.